Hello, welcome back to Mama's channel. Our channel. And we'll be fixing our fairy garden.
So this is the fairy garden we did a while back, and we are going to be redoing it. It looks a little bit sad and overgrown as far as these.
What's this?
That was the water, remember? Everything kind of fell over, so it needs to be redone so it looks nice and fresh.
What's this?
That was a slide. So let's go ahead and take all these out first, Papa.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so all this I'm gonna kind of break up because we're gonna add some more stuff in here.
Mama, I'll help you with the tweezers thing.
Okay.
I got my tweezers.
I'm just kind of breaking it up right now.
Okay, can I break it up too?
This we're leaving.
No, we're leaving. But what's this?
That's aeonium. Aeonium kiwi. Little baby one that looks really cute right there. Okay.
What
so,
baby?
This is little baby aeonium. That's part like that one over there. See it?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. So.
I know, like these baby onions.
Okay, so these guys. You want to leave them?
I'm gonna break it.
Break what? The soil? I'm gonna get some cuttings here. Alrighty, we took some cuttings from the garden. So now we'll go ahead and start putting them in. But first I'm gonna put this sedum here. I'm just kind of gonna squeeze this.
Mama?
I just want the top part here.
I love you.
I love you too.
Hey! I found a cool little blue rock to add to our thing.
Cool, let me see. Yeah, let's do it.
We can add it to our fairy garden since it's blue, and we can add it to our water.
Good idea. Okay, so.
Baby. Mama? What is this? What is this?
A little fountain.
It's not a fountain.
I'm sorry, what is it called?
It's called a thing that you lower thing. I don't know what it's called. Tell me what it's called right here.
It's called a well. That's what it's called.
A
wishing well?
What does a well do?
A well has water in it.
And what does it do to water?
It just holds the water.
It holds the water, and then what does it do to it after? Or hold the water?
Let me see if I can pull out a little piece of this stuff.
Like what?
There we go.
What happens if you pull out the? What happens when it stays in there too long? What happens to the water?
I don't know, babe.
Just tell me why.
I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, let's just put those in. Push them in a little bit. Look how cute. Just stick it in there. There you go.
Hard?
Carefully. We're just kind of just going for it.
Yep.
We're just going for it.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. Mama, where did you get these things from? These little hangers.
I think Auntie gave that to me.
Where did you get this big little table?
Yard sale?
Where's the yard sale? But how much money did you spend?
I think I got it for $30.
Is $30 a lot or a little bit?
It's actually not bad for this
Table?
table. Yeah, it's a good price.
How many? How many was it? Try was it just $1?
$30.
Oh, but it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's
Keep
it.
going, keep going.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 12,
20.
20,
Keep going.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
So what's next? 30. That's how much I spent.
30?
Mm-hmm.
Dang, that's a lot.
Yeah, but when you think about it, it's not that bad. How do you think it's looking so far?
Ooh.
Pretty good, huh? So we have to stick some stuff in here to fill this in. Let's see, these things, let me clean one up for you, and then you could stick it in.
I want to put like a
Careful.
I want to put like a pass of rock.
Yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Here, I'm making this hole. Want to stick this in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the hole. Get where my hand. So I'm gonna stick it in there. Oops.
Oopsie daisy.
It's okay.
Why you were adding these right there? Because
Does it look good?
Because it looks like beautiful.
It does look beautiful, huh? So let's take these.
Especially with these
Let's
flowers.
see. Maybe go leave them right there. So where's the little slide? Because we're gonna put that in here. Oops,
Mom,
that's not
I want to try.
this. There's the slide.
I want
So you can put the slide. Oh, where does this go? Maybe right here.
No, right here.
That's a walkway.
Oh,
Let's go like right here.
Why? But yeah, that looks perfect.
Think so? Actually, let me see.
Where is it? Where is it? Maybe I should put it on my office so like I don't worry
Let's
about
see.
it.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Will that work like that, Jonathan?
Huh?
That work like that for the slide?
Yeah, it looks good.
I had to move it a little bit because of these things were.
Like I could go like.
Okay.
And what's this?
Looks like a little shovel, so you put that like by the garden.
But what's this thing on top?
What does it look like?
It looks like a little snail.
It does look like a little snail.
So it is a snail. What are these? What are these?
What does it look like?
Fairies?
Mm-hmm.
But I see a little bit red. Why is there red?
Where?
Like right here.
Oh, probably your lips.
Maybe that's their chopstick.
Mm-hmm.
Why do fairies have wings? Why do fairies have wings?
Because they're, I don't know, they can fly. Okay, let's see.
Like right here?
Sure.
Yeah.
Kind of want to put like something right here though, like a little edge first, like a little, I don't know.
Like, I
don't know if all that's going to be able to fit in here.
Because it's tiny.
You're silly, dude. Okay, we need something right here along this little path. What should we put there? Maybe these little rocks? What about that sand? Do you have the sand inside? Do you remember the sand that we used?
Like, yeah, for my ABCs learning.
Yeah, do we have any more sand?
I have my kinetic sand.
Let's use this sand.
Yeah. It's like kinetic. Cause they
So
have.
this sand, yeah, this sand I got from the 99-cent store, I think. It's kind of thicker than, which is fine. It'll just be like the base.
What's a base?
And it's just kind of to cover the soil, and then we could stick little cuttings in there. So let's go ahead and pour
gonna try.
Okay.
Okay. But be careful.
Here, let me give it to you like this. Go ahead. Oh, that's good. Let's spread it out a little bit and you can probably add more. You see? Let me see. Move this.
Hey, it looks beautiful.
It looks cool, huh?
I wish I could be in that little fairy thing.
I know. Wouldn't that be cool?
Imagine you were this fairy. And then you
were that tiny?
And then you can move and then you were a little tiny fairy.
That would be cool.
And then you could go in the store. And then you could see the beautiful things in there.
What do you think's in there?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Just tell me.
I don't know. This is your imagination. Nobody knows if it's gonna make you make it up.
Maybe a kitchen.
Kitchen?
Chairs.
This is not. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on.
Look it.
I really see this little guy.
Does it look perfect like that?
Yeah.
Or does it look poo-poo?
Jonathan.
I'm gonna go under this and look at this and then go Spider-Man hunting. I think go Spider-Man hunting. Like we're spiders. Is that creepy or no? Is it creepy
What creepy?
to look for spiders? Ah!
There's a spider. Ask him.
He fell.
Go on. So we're just gonna make a little walkway.
Okay, I'll do
Put it in
that.
the line. So like one more here.
One more.
There we go.
Do you use it or no?
I don't know.
Nope, you don't. So
That's the garden tool.
I wanna do like putting these.
Okay, so that's not gonna fit anymore.
Rocky,
That's not gonna fit anymore. So you can put like a couple of the characters. We're gonna have to make another fairy garden and put stuff. So maybe she could be in here. I have to move this over though a little bit.
Why?
Maybe she could be in here. Look at gardening or something. That looks cute.
And her like found a birdie. Like what about like?
Let me see that. Yeah, I can put that right there.
Yeah. That's full of water.
See, everything in the house is too big. We have to make another one.
There.
Just putting this in to fill in the little cap. Jonathan, that doesn't fit, babe. It doesn't fit. Nice try, but nope, doesn't fit.
Hey, bend all the rock for your little thing.
Okay.
Try put it in. Come on, put it
It
in.
just fills in the water.
Look at like hers like laying.
Oh, that's cute too.
That's cute too.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think?
Like hers in like the flowers.
Okay.
Look at. I love giant pumpkins because
I want to put little ones here in the back.
like little what?
Look at these guys for color. Alrighty, here's our fairy garden.
And now we're gonna go inside.
Alrighty, here it is. Just a quick revamp. Just filled it in a little bit more. Probably still have more here, but my son is tired, so we're going inside.
No, Mama's tired.
You're tired. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.